Hi guys, Donskilled here. This is going to be the first in a series of videos about killing CC troops. Killing CC troops is an important part of every war attack, and it can be tricky sometimes, and so Max asked that I do some videos showing various techniques that can be useful. This video is going to actually be showing what not to do. It was an attack against my base in the most recent war, and I'm not going to go through the whole attack because that's not the point of this video, but rather to just show the attacker trying to kill a witch that was in my CC, and he ends up losing like 6 or 7 wizards in the attempt, which is totally unnecessary. Let's go ahead and watch it and figure out what he did wrong. So he does the lore with a giant, that's all fine. He's going to bring the CC troops up here, which is as good a choice as any. Now, dropping a wizard right on top of Valkyrie, I don't know what the idea there is. So he's already lost 4 wizards just to the Valkyrie, not even to the witch yet. But here comes the attempt to kill the witch. Now, what is he going to try to do? He's going to try to drop wizards 1 or 2 at a time to try to take out the witch. Well, what happens? Every time the wizards come, the skeletons attack them, and the wizards focus on the skeletons. He's lost 6 or 7 wizards already, and the witch is still alive, still raising skellies, and he just keeps dropping more wizards one at a time, as if they're just going to keep changing the result after dying. Now, he finally gets a wizard to come in and kill the witch, but he ended up losing, I don't even know how many, probably 8 wizards in the process. This is not the way that you want to kill witches. First of all, you don't just throw away troops at them. Second of all, dropping a troop 1 at a time against a witch is not going to do any good, because each time the witch raises more skeletons, those skeletons are just going to go right after whatever you dropped. So what do you do to kill a witch? There's a couple ways. One, if you know there's a witch in the CC, just bring a lightning spell. The lightning spell will kill the witch. It's one of the few times that I think killing the CC troops with a lightning spell is okay, because you just erase the hassle of the witch. If you don't want to do that because you need your spells, maybe you're doing a hog attack and you need all of your heal spells for your hogs, or maybe you're the first attacker, so you don't know what's in the CC troop, the CC yet. It's still fairly simple to kill a witch. You don't want to try to brute force it the way that he did, where you just keep throwing wizards at it. That's never a good strategy. Instead, what you want to do is bring the witch to the side using a few archers, just the way that you would normally draw CC troops. Just keep drawing them out. Now the witch is going to be the slowest, so all the other troops are going to get there and kill your archer or whatever that you've dropped. So you have to drop a couple, drop one more, one at a time. So the witch keeps coming, and all the other troops are right here. Now by the time the witch gets fairly close, maybe around right out here, then you drop another troop, an archer, whatever, clear over here to the side. All of the other troops, the skellies that the witch has raised, the archers, the wizards, whatever else was with the witch in the CC is going to head this way, and they're going to head that way much faster than the witch. The witch is also going to start heading that way, but she's going to get outdistanced by her skeleton escorts and her other troop escorts very quickly. Well, as soon as those escorts are out of range of the witch, it's a simple matter to drop 1 troop to kill her. A wizard will kill her in 1 hit. Barbarian king will kill her quickly. Those are 2 good choices. The archer queen will kill her in 1 hit. It's a simple matter to kill her once she's separated from her escorts. What you don't want to do is just have her standing right there with skeletons being raised all around her and dropping wizard, and they just keep dying. Instead, get the skeletons away from her by dropping a troop somewhere else. The skeletons are so fast they're going to leave her in the dust, and then drop the 1 wizard. I hope that helps you figure out how not to kill witches, and maybe by knowing that it will help you know how to kill witches.